Hi, I'm George. Welcome to the Messy Shed. Right, we've got a rail light. Me and my pal, Retro Bike Stuff, we've had it off the car boat. I've had two of them. And he's had one of them. He's had a British rail and I've had ex-military ones. And unfortunately, they've got no batteries. So, we've got to try and put one of them inside of there. Got a little older. For these 18650s, these are just, they're in a lot of things now. Okay, to batteries, laptops, vape pens. Not all of them have got the same use, as I've watched myself. But let's have a go. One on.
I'm the worst solderer.
That's Joe, by the way, from Retro Bike Stuff. What a man.
All the gear, no idea. Would that be like a rechargeable setup or just...
Yeah, rechargeable. TP4056.
Down a bit. Is that going to be a recharge thing?
Yeah, just a micro USB. Everybody nowadays have got one in their house, spare, lying around in a drawer.
I ain't got one.
You will have. Or we've got a friend that's got one.
Any? If it's electric, I'll come here.
And I'm normally a good guesser.
So you'll need two of them in?
Two
of them batteries?
Just one battery.
Get in. That's going to be...
And that's pretty much how it's going to...
a tenth of the size of the original?
Yeah, about that.
That one I took out of mine was massive.
He's got some, and he's got a battery in his in, whereas mine had no batteries in. We bought them. I paid £15 for the two of mine. He dropped unlucky, like usual. That's the way the cookie crumbles.
They have nice things though. And them two was a bargain.
I was, yeah.
Worth definitely. I was gonna sell mine without the battery, but now you've come up with this idea. It's a lot.
We'll both have a battery.
It's gonna make a lot more sense because people can just use it straight away and show it off to their friends. Look what I got. It's the first time I've seen you use them and not your teeth.
I've got to make an example. It is not good practice. I'm just tinning the solder points to make it easier. A little bit of flux goes a long way. And that will just glue there nicely, or double-sided tape if I can find some in this shed.
I think you've got everything in this shed, it's just finding it. He's back on me.
Appreciated. That will just glue there nicely, or double-sided tape if I can find some in this shed.
I think you've got everything in this shed, it's just finding it. He's back on me.
Appreciated.
What are you doing now?
Just for the output. You got it in, which is your batteries. Well, battery or batteries. Battery in, and then your output. These are a clever little PCB.
Where'd you get them from, eBay?
Yep, eBay. The ruler of all.
So you put a little bit on there and then some on the...
Just helps it to flow.
So you're soldering that to the wires in the torch?
No.
In the lamp? Gonna make it detachable?
I'm going to use 2 Japanese female connectors.
So you can unplug it if you need to?
Yep, exactly that.
Was it the original unplug?
Yes.
So I was looking at mine and it looked all in one. But then I thought to myself,
We'll put 2 covers on it.
tell you later.
I apologise.
It's a proper job.
And that's pretty much it for the wiring side of it. It's just the tidying up side of it.
How much is one of them batteries?
They vary, but like I said, if you've got an old laptop or something like that,
You can nick one.
they're quite easy to just salvage. Now's the trying, because we might have a light bulb after this.
You know your little... Yeah, let me show them. Inside, there's a little clamp
I
there,
ain't seen yours, have I?
which you can have a spare bulb. Yours missing, ain't it? Mine's got the bulb in.
Yours has got the bulb in. The bulb ain't in either of mine, to be honest.
I seen it, I was like, no way, George, you're going to go mad when he finds. Get in.
And she's on.
Bad. Oh, you've got more colours than mine. Pretty sure there was only 2 colours on mine.
And it's off. It's very stiff, that one is.
Pretty recent. Good job. And then you can just charge that from
Micro USB.
into a laptop or something, or can
Anything, or your phone charger.
so you can plug it into mains.
Yes. No, that's a C charger. I'll tell lies.
What's that then, a micro USB?
It's micro USB, yeah. No, that's a C charger. I'll tell lies.
What's that then, a micro USB?
It's micro USB, yeah.
So, but power wise, like the strength of the light, would that be the same as that big battery that was in there?
Be better.
Be better
Probably 10 times better.
because of the modern battery.
Yeah.
Oh, and does that turn a different colour when it's charged?
Well, that is charged. The battery is already charged.
So if it's not charged,
If it's not charged, it will flash red.
nice. Nice. Need a bit of glue.
I think I've got a bit of sticky back foam.
We'll be back when he's found the foam.
I have now found some foam. It's been a bugger. Crude, but that will do the job.
Does the job. I suppose the only thing is now is getting it to stop rattling around so much inside there. Or you've got to put it in a position where you can plug the charge. Oh, you don't need to. You can just undo it and charge it, can't you?
Yeah, whenever you want, and they don't take long to charge. But we only had them yesterday.
That's how you sort out. Well, it's going to be a much cheaper way of doing it as well, ain't it?
Yeah, that probably cost you. That wouldn't cost you the tenner all in.
Whereas one of them batteries might be.
Might cost you more than the actual machine is worth, more than the light is worth itself.
So George, thanks for that little bit of information.
More than welcome.
Shall you? Do you fancy taking? Do you fancy taking people around? I fucked that right up. Do you fancy giving people a tour of the messy shed? Just a quick tour.
Yeah, you can.
So what's going on this side?
Just a bit of rubbish here, a bit of rubbish there. Right on our house for.
But he is in the process of sorting this out. So people with OCD might be able to sleep at night. What can people expect in upcoming videos? What kinds of stuff?
I don't really know, to be honest with you. Just keep putting me on the spot, my mate.
Oh
I'm quite happy with that.
What about these?
You can expect a few videos from these electric scooters. These are the up and coming. Petrol's going out now, isn't it? It's too noisy. So, hopefully they're not more. They're finding stuff on the car boot.
Yep.
And trying to get it to work.
So basically, a lot of repairs, tinkering,
A few laughs and jokes.
few giggles.
No twigs.
We don't stop laughing, do we, on the car boat?
Not particularly. It's quite hard to film on the car boat.
We say we're going to film when we get there. We're too excited.
We're
We've definitely got to
excited.
strap a camera to your head though, so it's just done and dusted, ain't it?
Absolutely. Or to your chest.
Yep.
Some people are quite funny. We're not. We're laughable. We're not like funny. I'd appreciate a like, a subscribe, if you have the time. Be much appreciated.